Welcome to the Precision Auto family. Congratulations on your new window tint. We hope you love the new look. It is important to know that your window tint may not look perfect right away. Your window tint will take about 7 days to fully cure out depending on the time of year. For example, in the summertime, it might only take 2 to 4 days to cure out, and in the wintertime, it might take 6 to 7 days to fully cure out. During this time, you may notice a hazy appearance or bubbles. Don't worry, this is normal. Avoid rolling your windows down or cleaning them for 2 to 3 days as they completely cure. Now let's talk about how to clean and maintain your window tint and windows. When cleaning your windows, be sure to use an ammonia-free glass cleaner to avoid damaging the tint. Gently wipe the surface with a soft cloth or paper towel, avoiding abrasive materials that could scratch the tint. Lastly, remember to avoid using sharp objects or abrasive materials that could scratch or damage the tint. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. Thank you for choosing Precision Auto Protective Films and Ceramic Coatings, and we hope to see you soon.